Hi, and welcome to my YouTube website called Air Engine Research. My website is dedicated to building an efficient, non-polluting compressed air engine that can replace the engine in a gasoline or diesel-powered car. I post often showing the work in progress that I'm making on the small prototype. It's a 6-cylinder oval ring with a drive shaft but no crankshaft. It has 3 banks of 2 cylinders that push in opposite directions to rotate the ring, which turns the drive shaft. My intention with the small prototype is to use it as a bicycle assist drive. We'll show you some of the main engine parts and how they fit together, and also the first test run of the new 6-cylinder conversion. Subscribers are notified each time a new video is posted, so if you're interested in what I'm doing, please subscribe. After a couple of days of working on it, I got it now to where the timing should be right, and I got the things on it, so we'll see. It's pretty noisy, but it runs pretty good. Okay, since I shut the video off and started working on putting the elbows in for the airlines and tapping the line holes, I've got it done now, so that's how that looks from this side. I'm not sure if the mounting will be okay like that when I try to put it on. I'll have to see if there's any obstructions or problems with that, but for now I'm going to go ahead and hook up each of the airlines to these things, and see, you'll notice I've got these 3 facing this direction, and these 3 here coming around this way to go into the connectors. So we'll see if that pans out. So why don't I go ahead and start doing that? All right, put it back in the vise so I can work on it. All right. See if my hose is flexible enough now. Come all the way from here, come around. Okay, I got the airlines all hooked up now. I don't know if there's going to be any leaks yet. I'll have to do that later. Right now it's too cold to be messing around with water and stuff to test all the lines. Well, I finally got a warm enough day that I could come out and finish putting the air lines on the air motor that had to be changed. The reason for the change, I had to make room where I can put this one-way clutch on the drive shaft. And the way that the airlines was hooked up before, they were sticking up this way and they were in the way of putting this clutch in when the chain gets put on it. I've also got a sprocket that I'm going to have to put on to give the ratio a little bit higher power. The thing has been running really well. I had some trouble with the timing on it, and I kept thinking I was having air leaks, but one of the valves, the exhaust valve stem was sticking sometimes, and when I would want to start the engine, it would sound like the airlines was leaking somewhere, and it was air blowing around, so I really wasn't sure what was happening until I finally figured that out today. So I've got it running pretty good. It's still going to be cold, so I won't be able to do much more probably until spring on it, because I'm going to have to work with metal and stuff quite a bit, and you can't do this stuff with gloves on, so it's just about impossible to do anything now. So we'll just have to be patient and wait till I can do it. But this is how it runs now. Hopefully it'll start right up. Seems like it has a lot of speed, and I'm sure it's got quite a bit of power. There's always two cylinders that are firing together in opposite directions to make the oval ring rotate. I wouldn't have to have two at a time, but I realized earlier that the ring, when you only have one cylinder, it's pushing off to one side and torquing it pretty bad. So this way, it evens out and it does not torque the ring and put strain on the drive shaft and stuff. So that's good. Well, that's going to be it, I think, for today. It's almost coffee time anyway, so at least glad you could check in. And for any of you new subscribers or new onlookers, if you would subscribe, you'll be notified anytime I have some new information. And springtime, I'm going to be mounting this on a bicycle. So that's something you'll have to look forward to. So for now, I'm going to go back in where it's warm. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and I will be posting again soon to show more progress. Thanks again for checking in, and I hope to see you on future videos. Any comments or suggestions are welcome and encouraged, so please let me know what you think about what I'm doing. Until next time.